Hello everyone. Most of the participants will be coming. Yeah, we have 18 participants. Yeah, okay. Let's start the session. Today we want to learn about the agentic AI. The agentic AI is nothing but the AI will work alternately with the human beings. Yeah. Today we want to how to be install the N8 and how to do a workflow in N8. Yeah, these are the things we want to learn about that. What are the things we have in the N8? So all we learn about that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Want to download the Docker browser. The N18 install have one or two methods. First one is Node.js, another one is like you install in a Docker browser. Here I want to install in Docker browser. Yeah, docker.com we install in Docker browser. Install Docker browser we have. Here no need to sign in. Just install the Docker browser. I already installed the Docker browser. Just click the link here to download the Docker browser. I already installed. Let me see about my Docker browser. Yeah. Here have my Docker browser. Here going to the search terminal is type like N8 N8 inspect. Here have N8. I already compiled the program. This is nothing but this is just we want to like that. I already compiled the program. So if you want, they're having many more YouTube videos how to be installed in N8. It is little complicated. Nothing but just simply I already installed that N8. Here I want to tell about the how to be do one chatbot, how to do a chatbot in N8. I want to tell about that. Um, here here I have my N8. I already compiled. Yeah, click the N8 and is run the program. Then only it, all the things should be figured out. Then here have a local host. Click the local host. The N8 will be open. Uh, Here I already log in. If you are not logged in the N8, create a username password. Then only we can log in the N8. Take a screenshot in the username password. If you are forgot your username password, otherwise uh, we it little bit complicated. We can take a screenshot in the username password. Here this is your overview. Uh, Click to create a workflow. Here have a add first step. Yeah, here how I want to have a just a chat message. Yeah, chat trigger. uh, Here test chat. Just the chat message, it is a trigger node. If any automation we have a trigger node. Here it is a trigger node. Then we add a plus button. Click. I want a agent. Just click it. Click it. Just execute step. Yeah. Here add something. Here chat model. Here I want to add about the LLM. Here a lot of LLM have. Just I add in the open chat model. Here have a new credential. Here add a API key. So that while we want to go about that API key. Uh, what I want to do? Leave without citing. No. Save. Yes. Just I click the cross button. Oh my God. Uh, Workflow. Yeah. Here have that. Uh, Here have a docs. Go to the docs. Here tell about that authentication information note here. Then here tell about all things. Means step by step. Go to here. Here have a API key, OpenAI account. First create a OpenAI account, then only we can generate the API key. After organization ID is also created, then authentication is nothing but we want to clear put it on in the authentication for OpenAI because the authentication is I did not if anybody can pay, if anybody interested can pay and do the automation. We want to download the we want to switch on the authentication. If the authentication is nothing but we pay something, the authentication will be off. Otherwise the authentication is always here. Here I did not pay, just I tell about the what are the steps to do. Here open a API document. Here are key concepts. Then I want a API dashboard loading. Yeah, here we we can easily generate the API key. I'm already started. I'm already generated the two API key. Uh, yeah, these are the authentication. We add something payment to if any free trial. I did not try it. Any free trial we can easily payment method like that. These are the authentications. Okay, then I want two API keys. Here I generated the two API keys, N8 and API key. Here I want to just copy up the API key. Go my N8 and here click a new credential. Here paste the API key. Control plus V. Yeah, here organization ID is optional. Then save. Here I have a authentication error. Could not connect the settings connect பண்ண. Yeah, authentication is failed. Check the credential. Authentication is failed. Okay, we can to execute the previous ones. Yeah, then here had a memory. Yeah, simple memory we can add executes. Okay, nothing. This is one of the chat model automations. Here I want to chat the high message. Enter. All things should be loaded, but the LLM setting should not be set in the authentication. So that will one of the problems. So that will the program is not to be executed. Uh, so these are the simple AI automation. If any payment or free trial, we want to something, we try to do something, then only we can easily do the AI automations. So okay, so these are the problem of the here. Okay, let me understand about that. How to be add and how to be. So here I want to save the. So these things should be saved. The one.
Okay, most of the members is gone. Okay, thank you. mm, yeah, thank you guys.